A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello guys, welcome to the digital education system of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 7th, and as you know nowadays I am teaching you chapter 8 ratio and proportion. Yesterday I told you about ratio, so today I want to teach you exercise 8b. It is about in proportion. So before starting this chapter, I want to tell you how will you solve any question of proportion. For solving proportion, you do follow these rules. First is cross multiply. Second is divide both sides by the number connected to the variable. And third is that check the answer to see if it makes a true proportion. To start question. 30, 40, 45 and 60 are in proportion. Student, you know कि proportion are always followed by two rules: product of extreme and product of means. So product of extreme means first term and last term, and product of means is middle two term. Okay. So product of extreme is equal to 30 multiple 60 is equal to 1800. And product of means is equal to 40 multiple 45 is equal to 1800. So product of extreme is equal to product of means, so it is already in proportion. Okay. Now question number 2 is that so that 36, 49, 6 and 7 are not in proportion. You do them. The product of extreme is equal to 36 multiple 7 is equal to 252. And product of means is equal to 49 multiple 6 is equal to 294. Okay. So product of extreme does not is equal to product of means, so it is not in proportion. Okay student. Now question number 3rd is that if 2 ratio 9 proportion x ratio 27, to find the value of x. You do same, the product of extreme is equal to 2 multiple 27 is equal to 54. And product of means is equal to 9 multiple x is equal to 9x. So product of means is equal to product of extreme, 9x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 divided by 9 means 9 6 are 54, x is equal to 6. Okay. Next question is that if x ratio 35 proportion 48 ratio 60, to find the value of x. You do same, the product of extreme is equal to product of means x multiple 60 is equal to 35 multiple 48. So x multiple 60 is equal to 60x and 35 multiple 48 is equal to 1680. Now once 60x is equal to 1680, so x is equal to 1680 divided by 60. After that x is equal to 28. Okay. Next question is that find a fourth proportion of the number. This is question 836 is 5730, 2.8, 14 and 3.5. In next slide I will show you answer. Let the fourth proportion be x. So 8 ratio 36 proportion 6 ratio x. You do same. The product of extreme is equal to product of mean. 8 multiple x is equal to 36 multiple 6. So x is equal to 36 multiple 6 by 8. After that x is equal to 27. Okay, fourth proportion will be 27. Next is that let the fourth proportion be x. 5 ratio 7 proportion 30 ratio x. So 5 multiple x is equal to 7 multiple 30. X is equal to 7 multiple 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30 and 7 6 are 42. X will be 42. Next question, if 36, 54 x are in continued proportion, to find the value of x. You write here 36, 54 x are in continued proportion. So 36 ratio 54 proportion 54 ratio x. Okay. 36 multiple x is equal to 54 multiple 54. X is equal to 54 multiple 54, 2916 divided by 36. If you divide 2916 by 36, your answer will 81. Okay. Next question is that If 27, 36 yucks are in continuous proportion, to find the value of yuck. This question is also same, so you understand by yourself and solve. Okay. If you have any kind of problem, then you discuss on my cell phone number. Next question is that find a third proportion. 8 and 12, 12 and 18, 4.5 and 6. Answer is that suppose that x is third proportion, x will be 2 times 8 and 12. So 8 ratio 12, proportion 12 ratio x. Okay, x is equal to 12 12 are 144. Okay, 8x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 divided by 8 is equal to 18. Okay, third proportion will be 18. Next is that suppose x is third proportion, so 12 ratio 18, proportion 18 ratio x. So 12x is equal to 18 multiple 18, 12x is equal to 324. X is equal to 324 divided by 18, answer will be 27. Next question is that if third proportion to x and x is 28, if third proportion to 7 and x is 28, to find the value of x. Third proportion to 7 and x is 28. So 7 ratio x, proportion x ratio 28. So product of extreme is equal to 7 multiple 28 is equal to product of mean is equal to x multiple x is equal to x square. So x square is equal to 28 multiple 7. So if you find the square root of that very number, your answer will be 14. Okay. Find the mean proportion between 6 and 24. Answer is that suppose that x is the mean proportion. You write x 2 times 6 ratio x ratio 24. So x and x square is equal to 6 multiple 24. X square is equal to 144. 144 is the square root of 12. So mean proportion of the value of x is equal to 12. Okay. Second question is that also same. Next is that what number must be subtracted from each of the number 10, 12, 19 and 24 to get the number which are in proportion. Suppose that x is the number that is to be subtracted. So you subtract the number 10 minus x, ratio 12 minus x, proportion 19 minus x, ratio 24 minus x. Now you find the product of extreme and product of mean. So 10 minus x multiple 24 minus x is equal to 12 minus x is equal to multiple 19 minus x. Product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 240 minus 10x minus 24x plus x square is equal to 228. So 12x minus 19x plus x square. You see here that 240 minus 34x is equal to 228 minus 31x. Now you solve it. So 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Next question is that, so all of you solve all base number into your spare copy. If you have any type of problem, then you discuss on my WhatsApp number or cell phone number. So thank you and have a very wonderful day. Stay home and stay safe.